Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to learn about Zepto, a grocery delivery app which is delivering within 10 minutes based on your location. This Zepto app, if you don't have, just get it from Google Play Store and download it. After installation, it will ask you to register using your mobile number. Based on the mobile number registration, it will also prompt you to give your address. After giving address, everything, this will show you home page like this. The home page will have several options based on the categories. First, starting with fruits and vegetables, cooking essentials, munchies, dairy, bread and butter, beverages, packaged food, ice cream and desserts, chocolates and candies, meats and eggs, biscuits, personal care, pan corner, home and cleaning, health and hygiene, curated for you. All these categories will enable you to order your whatever the essentials, groceries to your home within 10 minutes time. Just for example, I'm just getting into fruits and vegetables section. Fruits and vegetables section will give you a sub options like fresh vegetables, fruits, organic and residue free items, leafy herbs and seasoning, exotic fruits and veggies, cuts and sprouts. Whatever the subcategory you want, just get into that one and just get into your cart. Same the way you can also click meat index and other items also. Every item will have sub items here. After clicking whatever the grocery you want, you have to get into cart here. After getting into view cart, it will show you all the items whatever you have added to your cart here, and it will also give you an option to enter your promo code or discount vouchers whatever is available here. And if you get it down, it will show you the saved address here, and if you don't have any address which is pre-given, you have to change using change address. In the change address, you can select your location, give your address. Then it will ask you to go ahead with the payment. Just getting on payment will allow you with several options like UPI payments, cards, let it be credit cards or debit cards. Also, cred is allowed in this app. Wallets are also given here, and pay later options are also available. Net banking is also available. All the net banking banks are available here. Pay on delivery also available here. That's all. So simple and an excellent app made by Zepto. They are delivering the items within 20 minutes. As they are saying 10 minutes, but sometimes it is based on the location and demand. It may be even going to 22 minutes if you observe here. It's so simple ordering through Zepto. So why are you waiting? Just order it on Zepto. If you like this video, subscribe the channel, like and share the video so that someone else also will get use of this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.